no microphone plugged in for me to mess up the audio on this one for. So this is round 2.
Potato salad. It's okay. I feel like it's missing something.
Probably needs a little salt. Pretty good though.
Korean cucumber salad. I like the crispiness of the cucumbers. They're like very crunchy. But now I'm getting I guess a hint of the Korean side of it.
A
I mean,
hint of the Korean.
I don't know. It's still very good. I love the crunch of the.
That's good. Cucumber salad. Just a little kick. Boing, 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 boing. Oh god. Seasoned well, but it's a little on the dry side. But this is the lean part, so.
Brisket. The pulled pork. A little dry. It's a little dry, but maybe some of this barbecue sauce will do the trick. Okay.
That's good pulled pork. It's on the dry side. She's right. Pulled pork is so much better with the barbecue sauce here.
The boudin.
Thank you.
Kind of a bit of a kick to it.
A little spicy?
A little spicy, but good.
As a Cajun person, I'm going to determine whether or not this is good boudin. A little mushy in the middle. Seasoned really well. Good little spice. That's solid boudin to me. Gochujang.
What?
Gochujang.
Gochujang?
Gochujang. Go to John.
Gochujang. Like you're saying go to John, but it's gochujang.
Go to
Go to
John.
John.
Jong.
Jong.
With a G. There you go. Gochujang.
Gochujang. Right? I don't know. I tried.
We're in the
Rib.
We're in the ballpark.
I love ribs, but I just don't like tomato based whatever this is. Like the barbecue sauce. I don't know.
I don't think that's tomato based.
I don't know what it is, but it has like a tomato-ish feel to it, and I just don't.
Okay.
It's not my forte.
Tender, lightly smoked. Gochujang is perfect on ribs. We got some of the cucumber salad, pulled pork, and the pickles. Let's try the good combo here. That's really good. So Eaker barbecue, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. The gochujang ribs are really the star here. The brisket boudin was good. It's a little mushy on the inside, but my favorite boudin on the planet is a little mushy on the inside. But the seasonings and the spice and everything is just right. Some of the meat was a little dried out, but other than that, flavors were there. The cucumber salad was good. Potato salad was pretty good. So 7 out of 10 for me, honey.
I say 7 out of 10 as well. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the gochujang, whatever you want to say, however you say it. Not the biggest fan of that. But I really enjoyed the brisket. I mean, I don't know if it was dry, but it was good to me. Potato salad, a little bit on the, I guess some of the potatoes inside were not fully cooked, and so it's kind of crunchy. That makes sense. But overall, I give it a 7 out of 10.
Still decent Texas barbecue. Really can't go wrong. Just having good barbecue. Okay, bye.